Hello friends, you're welcome back to the Chima Dedicated Video channel. In this video, I want to show you a step-by-step guide on how to launch a new YouTube channel. What I'm going to show in this video, a very short video. We're going to rush it because we don't have time to spend talking too much. It's a practical video. It's all the requirements, things you need to know. It's so practical. So follow me as I show you this. If you are new to this channel, Chima Dedicated Video channel, will do stuff like this. So join us, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you think it deserves that. Now, the first thing you're going to know about launching a YouTube channel is that YouTube is a product of Google. That means if you're going to launch a YouTube channel, you must have a Google Mail, which we'll call Gmail. Now, if you have a Gmail, automatically you are free to create any number of YouTube channel based on your interest and what you think you can do. Now, once you log into YouTube, I will always advise you install a YouTube app so they can go through that instead of going through the web link. In any case, you'll still get what you're looking for. So this is my app now. I've just launched my app. And because already I have Gmail, I have many of them, you are definitely going to see, if you have one Gmail, you're going to see that Gmail icon at this top end here. You're seeing it. That's what you're seeing there, the one black. If you have multiple, the one you just recently used will still be up there. But now watch me. I'm going to click on that icon, that Gmail icon. Watch what is going to happen now. You are seeing, if I want to log into this particular YouTube channel, I click on your channel, I'm going to go there. But that's not my interest. If you look at this channel, the channel is called the Chima the Educator. That's the one I'm using. So look at the arrow, this pointed arrow. I want to show you something. Point to this arrow. You are not going to see so many of other of my channel. Let me quickly show you. Under this particular account, chimaeducator@gmail.com, that's a Gmail account. I have two YouTube channels here, even though I'm only doing one. One of them I just created, I have not started using it. A Christian counselor is under that Chima Educator Gmail. That means you can use one Gmail to create multiple YouTube channels. Even though YouTube has started they are now working to stop that. Before it's so, but now recently they are stopping that. So if you want to create multiple, you're going to create multiple Gmail accounts at the same time. Now, this is Chima Educator under this Gmail account, Christian Counsel under this Gmail account. I have another Gmail account, techteacher83@gmail.com. In this particular email account, I have Tech Teacher. Are you getting it? I've not yet opened the Gmail. I've not yet opened the YouTube. I have another one called Google Classroom Videos. I've not started posting on it, so no subscribers. It's a YouTube channel I've created, but I've not posted the videos on it. I have another Gmail account, chimachisabest@gmail.com. I have some YouTube accounts here. Chima is with the financial accountant, only 2 subscribers because I've not been regular with it. This time out to 20 subscribers, I've not been regular with it. Chima Story, I just do this, but I've not started. Also, EduTech Africa, I've not started anything, so nothing is there. Now you can see all of this. So you're going to see it. But what will interest you? Look for the one they say no channel. Because you want to build a new channel, except in case you want to edit your channel. But now the one that say no channel, so I want to use this teacher83@gmail.com to build a new channel. Or I might decide to say, okay, not that one, I choose this. I might choose this brochures as best for him. I can also choose this one, Business Monday for Nigeria@gmail.com. I have no channel on it. I can use it. But I would just want to take this for this tutorial. So this particular email, techteacher83@gmail.com, I want to use the Tech Teacher and create a new YouTube channel. Watch what I'm doing. So I click on it. If you have never created anyone, you will see that you're going to have something like no channel. Even though your name is there, your name may be there, like you see Tech Teacher, that's maybe that your name for your Gmail is there. It's not a YouTube channel, you've not created one. So having done that, it's now I'm on that particular system. So I see click the icon of this Gmail, which is T here. I click on it. Having clicked on it, I'm going to click your channel. If I have already started channel on this, once I click on channel, you're going to see my channel and everything in it. But since I have not created any channel before now, when I click your channel, watch what is going to happen. The system is showing me to create a channel because I have not created one. So what do? One of the first things I can do is to change this profile picture. I can do it now, I can do it later. Everything you see here, you can edit it, so don't rush it. For now, I didn't prepare my logo to put here, so I might decide not to, put anything here. I might decide to put anything I want. It doesn't matter. Now, the name already is Tech Teacher, but that may not be what I want to call it. This is a new channel I'm building, so I know what I want to give to it, and I can always edit it. So I want to edit by clicking on this pencil icon. So I want to call this in English Master. That's what I want to call this. I want to use this to build an English language channel. I call it English Master. That's the name I decide to give to this channel. Okay. And I click on Save. I've edited the name. I remove the text, you can see it. And now because I said English Master, the system has helped me to change the handle to at English Master so and so. I can still edit it as long as it's something nobody's yet using. So having done this now, I can as well now click on Create Channel. I've created channel now. I now have a channel called English Master. But remember, why that channel standard? So you have to be sure that your handle, nobody's using. In fact, if someone else is using that your handle, it's not going to go through. And let me still give you a guide. While creating a channel, make sure you create something so specific to you or something nobody's using. Because we are on a competition. As you see offline, we see online. Imagine there are other channels that are English Master. When they can be an advantage that someone is searching, looking for another English Master channel there that is popular and hit your own. Good luck for you. But most times it could also be that someone is looking for you and he leaves yours and go to another one. So it's always good to choose something peculiar, something special, something that is not generally used by others. Now this is my channel. I can now click on your channel. Once I click on my channel, you can see now that I have a channel. Watch. I'm showing you all of this because there are some other things you're going to get from this. Now you see this TD I have changed because it's now English Master. So it has changed to E. If I put an icon, it's still going to show the icon instead of those things there. I want to see something. I want to show you something. Now, this is my channel. Are you seeing it? You are not seeing any subscription. Nobody. Now, if I want to now edit this channel, I can go on to do a lot of it. This is part of the videos you're going to see if you are part of our ongoing training on YouTube for Educators Crash Course. So, the next thing is now to create a video, to add video here. This particular channel has no single video, but I'm going to make sure that I have a video for it. So, that's the sense of our training. Now, lastly, before I stop this video, you need to know how to copy the link of your channel. As this channel is like this, now you're seeing it this way. Look at these three dots at the top right here. We'll call it a drop down, menu. Click on it. Now, having clicked on it, click on share. Now, you see copy link. Whatever you copy now is your channel link. Watch me, I'm going to post it somewhere so that you'll be able to see what my channel link is all about. So if I drop it anywhere, if you click on that link, you are going to find yourself on my channel. This is my channel link, not my video link. Each video I post here will have its own link, but this is my channel link. If you want to visit my channel, once you click on that link, automatically you are going to find yourself on my channel. Now let me quickly drop it somewhere so they can see it. Okay, let me drop it somewhere here on my personal handle on WhatsApp. Just going to see what it looks like. Okay, I dropped that particular thing here. This is my YouTube channel link. So if you click here now, you're going to find yourself on my channel. This is it, English Master. Now let me click back and let's see where it's going to take us. You see, it's back. It's taking me to this channel. So you need to learn how to do this the very simplest way. You can now still come to edit your channel where you now take time to put your about. Now look at it. Where is here now? Look at more about channel. You can click on it and put description about what your channel is all about. You understand? You can do that. Take your time to do that. That's when you go to settings. But for now, that's not our interest as long as this video is concerned. You have just launched a new channel. Settings and customization will come later. That is how to do it. So start this way and you are a new channel owner. You can see the date, January 31, 2024. The day you started this is already there and it can never be taken away. So that's how to start. If you're new to this channel, please we encourage you to subscribe. And to tell you, we are doing training on YouTube for educators crash course. How teachers and educators can run a very successful YouTube channel and make extra money from there. You can see the part of our ongoing class, even if it's joining the second batch. Please contact me so they can be part of what we are doing. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.